Hello, I'm Saurav. Today I'm going to show you how I have implemented eye gazing into light indication with Arduino. You can see there are two lights on the top of my laptop. And whenever I'm looking at the left side, left LED is blinking, is on, and whenever I'm looking at the right LED is on. You can just look at left whenever you want me to look at, and it will be light up. So you can just you can see how fast it is. I can just move my eyes towards left and sometimes towards right, and according to your eyes rotation, eyes movement, it is going to light up. So I would like to show you my setup. Here is my LED 1 and LED 2, and here's my Arduino. It's working, and the wires you can see, and I'm working with Python. You can see here's my Python code running. You can see it's indicating the left and right. And here is the webcam, which is gazing and tracking my eye gaze. So thank you for watching.